Oh, it's Snap on Wednesday with a new guy.
Alright.
A new guy and Tyler.
I'm Vince.
Vince.
He's rude.
And that's Tyler.
That's Tyler.
Most of you know me already.
Yeah.
So,
Vince is our new technician.
you know, when I can buy tools that I'm actually going to use and not the other techs in the shop, which is good.
Oh, yeah.
Just to explain how typically I arrange my truck, anything that's up here and in this toolbox and on the stuff on the dash is on sale.
Okay.
There are some exceptions to that. If I get a new product in, I'm obviously going to put it somewhere visible. It's not on sale, but it's new.
Yeah. Cool. Good. It's organized.
Oh, I got sunglasses.
Well, it's
Well, just see the other trucks sometimes. You can't even walk.
all the drawers are full.
It's just stacked in here.
That's good.
Everybody's comments online are always like, "Holy shit! If my Snap-on dealer had that many tools on the truck, I'd be fucking broke." or if I spent one day on Tyler's truck, I'd be broke. That's probably
Yeah, I got
true.
a bit of stock.
Yeah.
Can't sell it if I don't have it.
Yeah. I see
There's
these.
something new that came in from the trade show.
Oh, yeah. Hey, those are kind of nice. I like them. Are they like
Some are
the aluminum
polarized,
ones?
some are not.
Yeah.
Are they aluminum? Like plastic or aluminum, right?
No, no plastic.
Well, no, I know, but it's hard to tell. Nowadays.
fast metal?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they look good. Oh, yeah, they're not bad.
I don't know.
They're comfortable.
I
I
have a
know.
weird-
I think I've tried these on before.
I have weird face for glasses anyway, so.
Let's try them on. Yeah, I do too.
You have a vanity mirror?
Well,
Oh,
Is it slimming?
what do you guys think?
Oh, wow.
I like them. They're super comfortable though, eh?
Yeah, they're actually pretty good. Come back next spring
Care for these.
when we need them. Oh, that's tipping over.
come on, it's sunny out right now.
Yeah. For now, it is. Let's put those on. I don't want to tip it over.
I don't want you to put it over either.
Yeah. What's the one? Oh, you got the mirror on there.
Yeah. Those fit on any the air hammers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, mine are a little bit all destroyed.
Do we use air hammers all that much? Do you use air hammers all that much?
Ball joints and bearings.
Yeah.
I get the race off the spindle.
Yeah.
I just and push it off.
Oh,
seems to work.
look at that.
That's a new one.
That's nice. Ooh.
Quarter turn lock. It fits your quarter drive, 3/8, half inch.
That's the whole thing. And it's magnetized on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually really nice. I like that.
Yeah.
What's the part number on that?
Oh, right there.
See, I like the locking system because that way you can take it out of your toolbox and
Yeah, you can literally put it on the wall or
Yeah.
on a fender, you know.
on a fender.
Hacks are us. No, yeah. Got everything.
Hacks are us.
Yeah. Whoa. Don't want to advertise that. Shh.
Yeah.
No, the only other thing would be because we had a shop one over there because nobody had tools over there.
What's up?
Coolant pressure tester.
Yeah.
Haven't
We have a shop one.
Yeah.
I'll
probably
and
end up buying
then
one
there's
later.
and there's mine.
I'm gonna be calm with buying stuff for the first 3 months. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you.
We'll see how it goes.
But have you seen the new air-powered cooling system pressure tester? They actually hook up shop air to it.
If it can hold 110 psi, it's good.
There's a regulator.
Pop! There goes the hose. Oh, that's the
Does that one drain it too?
No.
No, that's just the
Instead of standing
just
there.
the pressure tester. Yeah. Well, I mean,
Wow, we get a lot of practice.
three pumps and it's pressurized. With the long barrel.
3 pumps. That's it, Joel?
I
Just
don't
3?
judge.
No, that's
You guys
good.
are fucking-
Otherwise, yeah.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
Nice truck. I like it.
Mini
I'm
screwdrivers.
French, remember? My mind is always in the gutter.
Yeah.
So,
Well, yeah, you are French too, aren't you?
yeah.
The last name like that.
Oh, those are new.
What are those?
This is picks, files.
Oh, like a
Terminal release tools.
Multi-tool. I see.
Nice.
These
I would buy
magnetic
something
panels.
new DVOM, but I still have a really old one.
I thought about upgrading mine.
Savage.
But, that thing's super nice. I like that too.
A lot of stickum.
Is it magnetic on this side too?
Yep.
Yeah.
And no, I haven't figured out an application yet, but these are actually Torx. Inverted
those
Torx
are
sockets.
See, I love this. Like these are like my favorite sockets ever. But yeah, with inverter Torx, I'm not sure how much we would use that.
Don't
Sure,
know,
I'm
but
sure.
there's the number of somebody.
I'm sure someone would use them. What sizes are they? Oh, they're on there, aren't they?
8 through 14.
I like my swivel
So 8,
sockets.
8
Best
10,
things
12,
ever.
14.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good. It's good. They're making more on a really good design.
So you see Arnold, he was looking at Rambo's knife that was signed by Rambo or whatever.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And he's like, that's not a knife. He brings out his knife. He's like, this is a knife.
Arnold did?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Pretty
That
fucking
new
funny.
Rambo movie came out, didn't it?
Did it?
Is it out?
Is it out?
20th or the 21st or something, I think.
I know they were doing a
I haven't
thing
heard
in
any
Hope.
advertising for it.
The
Watched that much TV to begin with, so.
the theater in Hope there was doing First and Last Blood. They're showing both of them, and then they're doing a tour.
Oh, so it is out then.
I think I'm not sure if it's out yet,
I know.
but I know that they're
yeah.
doing a thing
You
on
know
it.
I'm going to see that.
Yeah, me too.
I know the.
I'm excited about that.
What was it? They did the It movie at the drive-in in Langley there.
Yeah.
For Aldergrove. The two parts. The one that just came out.
Yeah.
and
It's a
the
scary
first and
clown
second.
guy?
Yeah.
I don't like that.
But yeah, so they came out with that too. They did the full feature and Annabelle too. So 3 movies.
Oh yeah.
Like I don't know. If
Nice.
I want to sit for 3 whole movies. Jeez.
There's an actual tour in Hope for all the spots that they like, all the film locations
They film.
for Rambo. Yeah,
Rambo 1 was filmed there.
yeah, that's cool. Right in our backyard.
Nothing that's in the flyer now. Funny story. Lots of people have probably seen them, but the TDL8, they are tap sockets.
Oh yeah.
So inside is actually a square hole to hold the end of the tap, and there's an O-ring so it doesn't fall out. This was the first. Yes, you can use a ratchet to turn your
Nice.
taps.
Yeah.
When
Instead
I
of-
Yeah, I've
Well,
always
instead
found
of
that
that
to be annoying.
yes,
Always ratchet. You have to use the T handle that
No, the
9
fucking
times out of
T-handle's
10
useless.
never fits anywhere.
Yeah.
yeah. Well, otherwise you
Yeah.
can use
Yeah. that
these
is-
sorts of things, right?
Is this one ratcheting?
No,
No.
no,
Yeah.
that gives you ratchet use, but
Right.
a little bulkier. When I started in '97, there was a set of these on the truck, and I didn't know what the hell they were. And there's no part number on them or anything.
Just random.
Didn't know what it
Is
was.
there still no part number on them?
No, just the size. Number 1, number 8,
Really?
number 6.
Oh, that's interesting. So you couldn't.
So
look
I
it
didn't
up
know what
and-
it was, so I threw it on the dash, and everybody that came in the truck then, the hell are these for? I don't know. You tell me. And it was about a year before somebody came in and said, oh, hey, look, tap sockets.
That's
All right, now I know
hilarious.
what they are.
That's hilarious.
Nice. Yeah, those could be very useful actually.
Yeah.
But we don't cross thread and stuff anyway. So
No, generally we're pretty good here, man.
Well, I'm a big fan of the rethreaders anyway.
Yeah, me too.
40
Yeah, the-
piece rethreader kit.
yeah, I have that. Yeah.
And then you're fixing threads instead of cutting new threads.
Yep.
Yeah, except the Elantras. I don't know if you had the older Elantras and you do timing belt. I had a couple where they're pulley, the tensioner, you take the bolt out and it pulls
the threads out with it too. Really? No, I haven't had that yet. Thanks.
Had a couple.
Thanks though, because I'll just stay away from it.
No, we just get a heated coil kit and just drill it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's that or you get a block.
Yeah, exactly.
It's that or you need the whole block. So. Yep.
Cool.
Offset drip punches for air hammers, so you can go in on an angle.
Is that what they are? I think I can't remember if we looked at them yet.
And they got a cupped end so it doesn't slip off.
That's right. Yeah.
The grooves in the side make it a non-turning bit.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, I
So
see.
when you're using the quick coupler with the 4 ball bearings inside,
Yeah,
Just locks into place.
Locks
yeah,
it,
so it can't turn.
That's cool.
I like that.
It doesn't matter on a straight punch, but on something like this, or even a chisel,
Yeah.
you don't want the chisel to turn, so
Oh, that's good.
non-turning bits.
Makes sense. It's a good idea.
Well, I would buy a lot of stuff, but then my wife would hang me. So.
You gotta get a paycheck first.
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of an important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't disagree.
Well, we spent a whole bunch of money. We went fishing there and stuff, and
Where'd you go fishing?
got a SUV, Loon Lake up at past Cache Creek.
Oh yeah.
I should have seen when we came back. We took the old Highway 12, the scenic route, but they had the landslide. So there's parts that was like construction crew, like only one way, and it's literally like a cliff.
Oh wow.
So you got this one lane and a cliff, and then further up it says, "Oh, yield to oncoming traffic."
Fuck.
I'm like, "Oh, I don't see any traffic." And I start going, and I see a semi truck flying in. I'm like, "Oh Jesus, okay, I'm gonna wait." And then literally you go along, it's just concrete barrier and cliff, and then
That's
the
funny.
dirt that they just left there because it all came down. So it's like, Jesus, like fun, creepy but fun.
Well, I should probably get back to work,
Yeah.
and I'll see you guys in the shop. All right, guys. Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. Well, you met Vince, the new tech. He's a good dude. In fact, we've been trying to get him for a while. Actually, well, I have been. We needed somebody with a lot of Hyundai experience, and he brings a lot to the table. So it's really good. It's good to have. It's good to have a good, solid team in the shop. Is what we've been trying to strive for. So it should be good now. We got rid of the problem. And now we got this, so it's all good. It's really good. So it's been really busy lately. Just trying to just keep up and make my hours and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I saw some couple of new tools in the truck, and that's pretty much it. I didn't buy anything this week. Didn't have to. Everything seems to be working good. So you know, that's Snap-on for you. And get what you pay for, right? Waiting for the 1/2 inch to come out, the new 1/2 inch electric impact. That'll be hopefully soon. I really want to get my hands on it and test it and try it and fucking, you know. So that'll probably be my next big purchase. So looking forward to that. Still waiting for my fucking top. That seems to be taking a while, but when I get it, it's going to be awesome. So yeah, cool. Anyway, guys, last thing to say, if you guys know that Jesse does, well, most of you guys should know already, Jesse does all the intro and outro music for the channel. I just put his songs in place and everything. Everyone always asks me who is it, so his band is Moria. He is now on iTunes and Apple Play and all that, or Android Play or Google Play or whatever. So look up Moria. So it's on there, Moria, and he's got a whole album on there. You can download, purchase, and all that kind of shit. All his music's all good stuff. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out. We'll see you.